Imagine you're a digital nomad, working from a cozy cafe in Bali. You need a tool that can keep your notes, tasks, and projects organized. You've heard about Notion, but you're not sure if it's right for you. One of the biggest questions on your mind: how many pages can you have in Notion for free? Notion is a versatile note-taking and project management tool that has gained immense popularity in recent years. It's known for its flexibility, customization options, and ability to adapt to various workflows. But like any free tool, there are limitations. In this video, we'll dive deep into the question of how many pages you can have in Notion for free. We'll also explore other factors that might influence your free Notion experience. The free Notion limit. So, let's cut to the chase. Notion doesn't have a strict limit on the number of pages you can create in its free plan. You can create as many pages as you need. However, there are a few caveats to keep in mind. Storage limitations. While you can have unlimited pages, the total storage space for your Notion workspace is limited. This means that if your pages contain large files, like images or videos, you might eventually hit the storage limit. Database limitations. Notion databases, which are powerful tools for organizing and managing information, have certain limitations in the free plan. For example, you might be restricted in terms of the number of database views or the types of formulas you can use. Factors affecting your free Notion experience. Aside from the storage and database limitations, other factors can influence your overall experience with Notion's free plan. Team collaboration. If you're working with a team, the free plan might not be sufficient. While you can collaborate with others on your Notion workspace, there are limitations on the number of team members and features available. Advanced features. If you need advanced features like custom domains, priority support, or integrations with other tools, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Your usage patterns. Your specific use case will determine how well the free plan suits your needs. If you're a light user who primarily uses Notion for note-taking and simple task management, the free plan might be more than enough. However, if you're a power user who relies heavily on Notion for complex projects and collaboration, you might outgrow the free plan over time. In conclusion, while Notion doesn't have a strict limit on the number of pages you can create in its free plan, there are other factors to consider, such as storage space, database limitations, team collaboration, and advanced features. If you're a casual user who doesn't need advanced features or extensive storage, the free plan might be a great option. However, if you're a power user or working with a team, you might need to upgrade to a paid plan to get the most out of Notion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.